welcome back to my channel. And as you guys could see, we are October ready. What best way to start this month than by doing an unboxing, guys? Oh my god, okay? So I decided on doing this look for my Facebook lives. If you guys do not know, I actually started doing Facebook live sales every week, and you guys could check it out if you guys want to go and purchase a couple of goodies or anything like that. You guys could purchase from the comfort of your own home, okay guys? So I will be posting my Facebook business page here, and you guys could always go follow and support. October is like my favorite month, so it's gonna be very, very interesting, guys, okay? So do not miss it. Today we are gonna be doing an unboxing, guys, of the Hocus Pocus ColourPop Hocus Pocus makeup collection, okay guys? My man was nice enough to actually buy it for me, so we got it, okay? I just received it today, so we are gonna be unboxing it, and I will be telling you guys my opinion when it comes to the whole damn collection, okay guys? So this is how the box look like, and this is the goodies that come in this, okay guys? Now I do want to mention, in the past I've only bought one makeup collection, guys, which was the Beetlejuice Melt PR box, and that one was more expensive, double expensive than this one, than the Hocus Pocus collection, guys. Okay, so in the past, guys, I have only gotten one collection, and that is the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice collection, which was beautiful, perfection. I had nothing to complain about it. From the freaking box to like every brush was like nicely made, you guys. So that collection was beautiful. It was pricey, and this one was, it was a lot cheaper than that, guys. So this one I believe was, like $100. So yeah, guys, but the other one was a little bit more. All right, so this is what you guys will get: your Hocus Pocus 2 Binks ears, your cat ears. So these are like clip little cat ears, and they look like this. Then you're gonna be getting a palette. Looks like this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we're gonna get into it, guys. We're gonna be seeing the colors. ColourPop has released like 3 Hocus Pocus collection in the past years, and honestly, guys, the feedback that a lot of people have made in the past collections have not really been good, only because the colors that they've used in the past were very neutral, like literally nothing to do with Hocus Pocus, okay? So this is how the palette looks like. Beautiful, as you guys could see. It tells you the back, all the names of the colors, of the shadows. We're gonna open it up. Beautiful. The inside, beautiful, beautiful, guys. And these are the colors, as you guys could see. I see a lot of neutrals in here, only a couple of like bright shimmery, like purple, the green one, this right here, and the rest are just like neutrals, okay guys? Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not really much of a fan of some of these colors. I really wish that they would have put more bright colors in here, implemented a little bit more like, kind of, like a booger green color in here. A little bit more color, okay? So yeah, guys. But these are, the ones that they came up with. There's mattes in here and shimmers. So yeah. This one right here is their Sol. This is Find the Book Shimmering Body Powder. And it looks like this. I think this has to be my favorite. Look how beautiful this looks. You guys see this? Beautiful. And it looks like that. Big old mirror, guys. So this is supposed to be, like a shimmer, kind of like body powder. So it has like a kind of like a almost like a green tint to it. This reminds me of the Moonchild by Anastasia Clover, because it has kind of, like a green kind of effect, but it's beautiful. Beautiful as a highlight. Beautiful packaging, guys. Look how pretty this is. I've never really been one to talk about packaging, but this one, I love it. I love it. Then I forgot to show you guys, it comes with this right here, which tells you guys exactly what's in your guys' box, the lip glosses and all that stuff. Beautiful, beautiful thing if you're a collector. Then you do get 3 shimmer like jelly kind of eyeshadows. These ones right here. Okay, this is the first one, and this one is called I Am Calm. And it looks like this. This one kind of reminds me of, you know, of the shimmer. So this one has, it has, you know, like a little top to it, because these will dry up if you guys don't take care of it. Oh, this looks like this. You guys see that? So it's almost like a mousse. Almost like a mousse, okay? Beautiful, beautiful packaging, guys. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, I hate when I say that. Beautiful packaging, I hate it. Maybe this one right here. Let me see. Okay. This one's a pretty color, guys. It's like an orangey, and they all have glitter. Let me see if I could open this one. Yeah, I can. They all have glitter. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, or maybe it's like the heat. I don't know. So this is how they look. Do you guys see that? You can't really see it, but they all have glitter. They all have glitter. Then it has this beautiful purple, and it looks like this. This one looks really nice. I like this one. And to be honest, I'm not much fan of purples. That's crazy. You would expect a girl that loves bright colors, but look at this. You guys see that? I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, or maybe because it was hot. I don't know. So yeah. Then you get the what is it called? This one, the famous mascara, guys. So this is a color mascara, and it's like this color. It's like a dark purple, but I'm not gonna open this, guys, because I'm not gonna use it right now, and I don't want it to dry. But it comes with this mascara. I heard a lot of different reviews on this, good and bad. So yeah, guys, I'm not much fan of color mascaras. I really don't, but there's always a first time. And then you do get 3 lip glosses that look like this. The first one, look at this. So, you know, this is a nice little, like, you know, collection if you're like a makeup collector. So these are the lip glosses. I think they're lip glosses. I think they're lip glosses. Either lip glosses, or what the hell is it, a lip gloss? Wait, let me read this. I have it over here. Yes, so these are lip glosses, and they look like that. So this one's a beautiful like dark purple, and they all have glitter, which you guys know it's my favorite. Then you have this one that looks like this. It's more like an orangey glitter. And then the last one that you get looks like this. It's more like a clear. Do you guys see that? Clear iridescent lip gloss. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful collection. You know, you could tell, you know, that they put, you know, like a lot of work to it. Like I said, this is my first collection from ColourPop, and I had to get it, you guys. I'm a big fan of Halloween. If you guys did not know, I never really mentioned it before, but I'm a big fan of Halloween, guys. So anything Halloween is my thing, like, honestly. So yeah, guys, so I had to get this one. I'm a big fan of Hocus Pocus. I grew up watching it. So yeah, guys, anyways, my feedback, honestly, I loved everything. The only thing that I really wish that they would have added more color was on the palette. I really wish, you know, that they would have added at least a little bit, you know, like more colors. I do own a couple of makeup palettes from ColourPop that are bright. I cannot complain on that, but I really wish that they would have added more brighter colors and less neutrals to this collection. But, you know, so that is it for my unboxing of the Hocus Pocus collection. Hopefully you all check out Hocus Pocus too. I'm gonna watch it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. And look out for October, guys. We're gonna be having a lot of Halloween looks and all this stuff, tutorials, so do not miss it, okay guys? And again, I will put all my information here of my Facebook business page so you guys could catch me live and shop for some goodies. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.